A day in the life of 2209 Chapala Street in Santa Barbara. Grab morning coffee on the patio at Cage Coffee Roasters, followed by breakfast at Renault Patisserie, then a bit of shopping at the shops at Arlington Plaza, Diani Living for some vintage throw pillows for your new home, grab some natural skincare at Treat, and try on the latest styles at Diani Shoes. Then catch a movie at the historic Arlington Theater. Next up, lunch at Carlito's Cafe and Cantina. Then a stop for ice cream at the famous McConnell's Ice Cream Shop. And finally, a stroll through the rose gardens at the Old Mission. "2209 Chapala Street in Santa Barbara is a Spanish Colonial Revival home built in 1924 with the structure of merit designation with the Historic Landmarks Commission. Cross a stone bridge to your private retreat surrounded by lush landscaping and a tranquil fountain enjoyed by birds and butterflies. The wooden arched door with iron hardware welcomes you to this charming adobe brick cottage. The living room features terracotta tile floors, open beam ceilings, and a cozy adobe fireplace. The sitting room off the main living area is a great spot for evening drinks and conversation with friends, or turn it into a private office. The dining room exudes historic charm with a wood-beamed ceiling, stucco walls, and built-in niches with iron light fixtures. The updated kitchen is complete with modern appliances and a solid slab countertop. Two downstairs bedrooms feature hardwood flooring and share a full bath featuring blue and white decorative tiles and a pedestal sink. Heading upstairs, we have a space that is ready for your creativity and is fully adaptable to your needs. It could be a primary suite, kids' play area, artist studio, office, and more. There's a small balcony off the window. as well as a full bath with a shower and a clawfoot tub. Back downstairs, we head outside to a sunny, private patio with terracotta tile flooring, a lawn with a bubbling fountain, and lush landscaping. The perfect spot for relaxing on a sunny Santa Barbara afternoon. At the side of the backyard is an additional space connected to the garage. This space is also ready for your creativity and can adapt to your lifestyle and needs. Yoga studio, office, workshop, or anything you can dream up. The garage has been enclosed and finished and houses the washer and dryer. Red tile roofs, white stucco, and palm trees remind you that you are in Santa Barbara. Just before exiting out the back gate, there is an enclosed outdoor shower, perfect for rinsing off after the beach. The garage and back entrance are on a quiet, short lane with additional parking. Going back through the gate offers another perspective on the relaxing private backyard. This historic Santa Barbara home is ready to be enjoyed. Contact me for more information on this and other homes in Santa Barbara at carly@villagesite.com.